How far? You don't know? Okay. Thank you. Kublai. Okay. Hong Kong is straight. Kublai. Do you speak Hindi? हिंदी बोलते हैं आप? English? Little English? Little Hindi?
At the beginning of time, where humans were only learning to communicate. Before the introduction of languages and written scriptures, there must have been sounds, hums, whistles, and tunes to communicate. But these ways of communication have no written records. The tribal village Kongtong still uses unique tunes to call each other.
After the mothers give birth, her child is to express her loves to her children. He cannot express in words or in anything, but only in tunes he can express in a deeper meaning for her love to her children.
The simplest of things are the most beautiful. I'm not simple at all. I am dead sure that you too get dazed by the charm of the unknown. Showing all the beautiful formations and colors, Meghalaya, meaning the home of clouds, justifies its name every second. We were in Meghalaya looking for a tribal village Kongtong. How do these tribal people look? Will they be open to outsiders? These were the questions in our heads. Don't go too far. It's not safe. Everyone did their best to make us feel apprehensive about them. But we don't care. They say a helmet can save your life. Hi, I'm Talking Helmet and I'll take you with me on a journey through Meghalaya. I will make you sit and tell you that Meghalaya is much safer than the city we live in. Cold in night, warm in the morning, these people have a heart like spring. As much as we knew Kongtong is 55 km outside of Shillong, it had been 5 hours but we were still on the search. What we were continuously feeling was, does this place really exist or are we just wasting our time? As we saw these little kids, we thought we are very close to the answer. And we started thinking, is this Kongtong? We parked a bike and tried to find some adults in this partially abandoned looking village. And we did find some people, but looked like they ignored us completely and went inside their houses without answering us at all.
इस जगह का नाम क्या है? दरसर है।
ये Kongtong विचार है। Kongtong विचार है।
इधर से? यहाँ से? कितना दूर है?
Kongtong is straight.
ठीक है।
Maybe this is what she was trying to say. Looked like there was another lost village on the way to this lost village.
ये क्या नाम?
Naam.
नाम? इस जगह का?
Maura.
Maura.
ये Kongtong किस तरफ है?
साथे।
इधर से? और इधर से? उधर से?
जो ऐसे रोड जा रही है.
इसका नाम है मौरा।
Maura.
Ông kia cái này. Ni ek lai bung tip. Pak Reddit Ông có Reddit Ông bây giờ lên thấy cái này
हिंदी हिंदी आता है? नहीं। समझ आता है? हिंदी समझ आता है?
आपको आता है?
Of course, they don't speak Hindi, but it's fine. They were trying, and we were trying. With only one useful Khasi word in our vocabulary, Kublai, which could be used for hi, thank you, welcome, we learnt we were in Maura. We noticed that women were more in number and more responsive, and men more passive and within themselves.
ये क्या? कहाँ आ गए?
मैंने रस्ते में देखा था। अंकल जी कोंगठोंग किधर है? हिंदी नहीं आता? चलिए ठीक है खुबलाई।
It was a big decision. A big day when we left for our dreams from home. To travel is one thing, but traveling with the right person puts things into perspective. You know the feeling when you've been waiting for something amazing to happen and it's finally happening. The little tribal village we read a paragraph about in a magazine now had us traveling to the northeast part of India. To reach Meghalaya, we took the train to Guwahati from Delhi. Nothing could have stopped us. But you know, with Indian Railways, you could always be delayed. Very nice. Now you've put this light on me, which adds to the torture. I can't really say that these 27 hours have been the best 27 hours of my life. Life never ceases to surprise you. Since childhood, we have always heard that there are places where they communicate by sounds and tunes instead of languages. But we never saw such a place.
Finally, we have reached Guwahati. I wish I could say we are really happy reaching, but the feeling is very exhausting because we were supposed to reach at 7 and it's 11 now. घड़ी तो है नहीं, but time मुझे पता है 11 बज गए. But finally पहुंच गए and so it begins Guwahati.
That little paragraph claiming the existence of this village got us on board on the lookout for this village 2000 km away from our own home. Every direction you look at in Meghalaya is a sight to behold. The hidden waterfalls and the living root bridges are the hidden gems of the place. Just taking a look at the Krangsuri Falls, it is hypnotizing. And then it is another thing to stand on top of it. The perspective changes. The world becomes too big and your problems tiny. But one tiny problem, that your heart is going to explode and the nerves are pumping as if you're going to jump off a waterfall. Yeah, well, it doesn't make sense. There's no reason for you to jump. You don't want to jump. But you jump. You try to hold on to thin air, but it slips and you fly. When you do it for the freedom, you breathe. Serious, calm, quiet. You saw that Travelard Films is none of that. But he can be. Excited, impulsive, jumping to conclusions. He collects moments, induces emotions, and gets away with a film. He is Travelard Films. A place that is left behind. A place that takes back in time. A place that takes back to the roots. A place that has everything that dreams are made of. The faces, the landscapes, the stories. Everything together added 4 moons to how we felt. And a billion stars. Or keep counting how many. Together we take you on a journey to the unknown. Come, let's go. Breathe, Meghalaya. Namaste ba. Where is Kong Thong?
Không,
Ji,
không. Con không xa thế.
how far? How far? How far? You don't know? Okay. Thank you. Kublai.
Con không xa thế.
Okay. Hong Kong is straight. Kublai. Do you speak Hindi? हिंदी बोलते हैं आप? English?
English.
Little English. We left from home at
Little
1
Hindi?
p.m. expecting to
No.
reach Kong Thong in a couple of hours. But the entire scene changed in those couple of hours. There were only few
Not
turns,
Khasi.
just a straight road that led to Kong Thong. But you know, you need to see some sign of life, some signboard to feel assured. It felt like a really stranded place and like it were really late in the night. Disturbing realization struck when the clock told it was still only 6 p.m. It was our most lost and most dreamy pursuit. While we hardly found anybody on the way, those we found either confused us more or refused to answer at all. People were literally hiding inside those houses. Eventually, somebody had to be sent for us from above.
नमस्ते जी कौन ठोम
तुम जाना है
हाँ अरे हिंदी आता है
अरे हिंदी आती है आपको तो
बहुत मुश्किल से सुना
अभी
है
रात हो गया तो 10 किलोमीटर दूर है
10 किलोमीटर
आप चाहे तो मेरे साथ में रुक सकता है आप इधर बातचीत कर लीजिए बस्ती का बहुत आदमी है
हाँ जी भैया ये सही रहेगा
सुबह निकल जाइए आप
ठीक है
मैं भी कंस्ट्रक्शन का आदमी हूँ इससे ही सोता हूँ
ठीक है
वो लोग कौन जाएगा उधर सुने को मिलेगा जगह
जगह में हाँ।
हिंदी बात कीजिए वो हिंदी सकता है सोने के लिए जगह देना चाहिए
मिलेगा।
मिलेगा तो सोने का जगह मिल गया तो आराम से जाइए उसके साथ
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हम खाने का तो यहीं पर ही कर लेते हैं आपके साथ चल लेंगे उसके
नहीं तो
बाद
पैकिंग भी हो जाएगा इधर
So, yes, we did get food. But all that we vegetarian kids managed to find to eat was some boiled leaves with salt and cold rice. Meanwhile, Amit Bhaiya was really happy to find someone to speak in Hindi with. Having come here to work from Assam, he too had problems communicating in Khasi. If we could, we would live with Amit Bhaiya forever. His house was a tiny little compartment made out of tin on the top of the plateau. The blanket of stars over us and his warmth were overwhelming. How were we not tired at all? It was so beautiful being lost, running into dead ends here. So abstract and so mesmerizing. Like how absurd it is in dreams and you don't want to come out of it. We had a lot of questions going inside our heads. Which language do they speak in Kong Thong? How will we talk to somebody? Will people be scared there too? What will we ask them? Will there be a place to stay? Should we stay? Staying with Amit Bhaiya answered some of them for us and made us feel little less anxious. It all started from Guwahati. Guwahati welcomed us with Durga Puja celebrations. The entire city was immersed in the craziness of enthusiasm. It was so good to see the entire city become one on this occasion. Each truck had different songs playing, running from truck to truck, song to song. There was no end to this night. My engine of dancing started very slow, but Jatin was very excited to see all this and could not stop himself from breaking loose. We had only one day in Guwahati and we consider ourselves really lucky that it was this day. The dancing, the singing, the food, the beautiful faces, worshipping, all that smoke. It was a beautiful transition to Meghalaya.
Can you call Badailang?
Yeah.
Call her.
Yes, here we are in Kongthong. There are 350 plus people, and each people have their own different tune.
Yes, my name is Rothel Kongsit. So I'm living in Kongthong village. So yes, we are proud to tell you that in our Kongthong we have that unique cultural practice where each and every one of us were having our own tunes or songs which we can call. And these songs has been composed by a mother since our childhood. She cannot tell how much she loves, but her heart speaks, which she can just sing with a song, which in Khasi we call it the Jingrai Yaobei. Jingrai means a song, and Yaobei is our great grandmother of any clan of a clan. So sometimes they want to express the love to me. So that at that moment, when I go outside my house, or maybe I'm somewhere which they need to call me at home or to call me at any place which they are. So instead of calling me, hey Rothel, please come home, they just call me by the tunes. That is my tune. That is the part of the tunes, or it is like just the title of the songs. When a person dies, they die alone. Means that these songs also, it cannot be used no more.
Coming from the cities, taking the road less traveled to no road at all, we were finally in this remote place of fantasies. It was interesting to see, as opposed to earlier times when houses used to be made of bamboo, here even in such far off villages they are being made with concrete, and they looked very old too. The lovely children and all those lovely women, they were looking at us like we were looking at them. But where were all the men? And then we realized, oh yes, the Khasi tribes are a matriarchal society. Where the rest of India is a male-dominated society, here the eldest woman is the head of the family and the youngest daughter is the inheritor of the property. The children also carry the mother's surname. The whole social structure is very refreshing. There is no tension in the air. Women also sit in the shops, work in the field and take care of the children at the same time.
ये Kongthong है Kongthong. हाँ? हिंदी आता है? नहीं।
After partially ignoring us and not understanding us for a while, they called the two Shillong return kids who could speak little English to help us out. Out of them, Badailang, a 17-year-old boy who was born here but grew up in Kolkata, could speak Hindi.
ओ हिंदी आता है?
We have just arrived and we are here to see this lovely village.
कैसे है? हिंदी आता है आपको? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ये तो बहुत अच्छा था।
Kongtong is a very small and a very old village which has managed to not change much with time. The houses are scattered in different parts of the village, some on the plateau and some down the valley. People here live a very simple life. Growing food on their own, they cultivate crops like maize, yams, tobacco, and broom grass from which brooms are made. They take pride in their culture and have done their best to coexist with nature.
We went to Shnong Padang 2 days ago, and somebody told us that probably in Kongtong there are sounds for names, but here we have sounds for so many things. For example, if I'm standing here and my friend is 2-3 houses away, and it's night time and I want him to come out, I will make a special kind of sound to ask him. So, have you had your food? Are you coming out? And he will respond like, how?
Like these kind of sounds, like ooh, like these kind of sounds. We don't remember.
Did they have the different means the old songs each and every of them?
No.
It's not just like
Just for the
just callings which can be that is I think is different, but that is not Chiang Bay. That is not a song which has been composed. That is the way of communication between them. Maybe the village.
these villages also have the same
Yes. This Krang village is one. Some nearby villages to Kongtong.
How many villages have this practice?
This place which is near around Kongtong, they have it. But you know when they call what you call these songs? They just call the songs only, or sometimes they call it whistlings. It's like that.
Do you remember Badai Lang's sound?
I forgot. Baris punya yang apa? Nah. Yes. Yes, I think like that. And my song is
Okay, so I've memorized this guy's tone, so let me see if this works on him now. सब बढ़िया?
This authentic village has not let its culture be lost in time. But if you're thinking that this is the only reason that Kongtong is a rooted village, then you're in for a surprise. A grueling 3-hour trek through the massive jungle takes us to the bottom of the village where Plat River flows. It was certainly no walk in the park reaching this other rooted secret in Kongtong's backyard. This glorious living root bridge. Yes, this is a completely natural bridge made by growing the roots of 2 rubber trees across the river to grow and attach themselves together. But one has to be watchful while walking on the roots, right? Years of maintenance, application and patience results in a masterpiece like this. This age-old technique of growing the roots to form a bridge is very peculiar and is passed on from generation to generation. This one is about 50 years old and they keep growing stronger with time. The Khasi and Jaintia tribes of Meghalaya have hundreds of these bridges, and India is the only country in the world to have such living natural bridges. The remoteness of this place is visible clearly in the gorgeous river under the bridge. The big boulders around form the most raw and untouched private pool for us in the middle of the jungle. The feeling of purity, peace. What does it mean to breathe? Everything appeared crystal clear. Where am I even? What is this place? The wildest of my imagination never managed to create something like this. The colors failed me. My senses turned to me and asked, am I dreaming or am I dreaming? Pondering over the questions and at the same time neglecting them, I lay in it. I lay in the time. So, yes, what do you imagine tribal people doing in their free time? Chilling together, smoking locally grown tobacco, sitting on the top of the surroundings, and playing football. Yes, you just can't separate the Northeast and football, right? These villagers too are very passionate about the sport and they play in tournaments against other districts too. Living in such far off places where one has to go to Shillong to buy ordinary shoes, most of these villages have football studs also. And what they also have is this football ground in a picturesque backdrop that sits on top of the village like a crown and gives a beautiful view.
Oh, please, you go, man. Oh, hey, you go. याद करेगा मैं?
हमें तेरी शक्ल से नहीं लग रहा याद करेगा।
तू लड़का बड़ा क्यूट है।
क्या नैना क्या होता है?
Jiwai Lube has no written record. Nobody knows exactly how old this tradition is, but generations have been following this practice since time immemorial. As times are moving forward, the villagers have started using mobile phones to call each other. As a result, they end up using the tunes less and often forgetting them. The tradition is getting little left behind. We feel lucky that we could bring ourselves here and witness the unique phenomena. It was lovely trying to connect with the gentle people by trying to learn the language through hand gestures and by making complete fools of ourselves.
खुबलाई जी
जा रहे
पर जा रहे से पहले बात कर रहे
ये कैसे पूछते कैसे हैं सब? कैसे पूछते कैसे हो सब? हैं? कुमनो
तुमने
सुनता है
नहीं सुनता है
आराम से हम जा रहे हैं। ये कैसे बोलेंगे हम जा रहे हैं? हैं? लन ang nin
Everything about this part of the world was something we never saw before. This is just one. Meghalaya is filled with such amazing and unique villages, communities and phenomena. For now, we leave you with the journey Breathe Meghalaya. Khublai.
चलिए।
अरे ये तो वही बच्चा है जिसको पप्पी करनी थी।
बाय
बाय
खुबलाई
दादा खुबलाई
खुबलाई
बहन की फोटो तो ले बढ़िया सी।